Growing up, we were always told to go outside, to not spend too much time looking at our screens, to back up, we're too close to the TV. Yet, here we are, attending Zoom University full-time. We're now told that spending hours a day with a screen in front of our face is the only way to learn. Assignments are being handed out left and right, and learning isn't really learning anymore. It's just a cycle of turning things in before the due date. It doesn't actually matter if you learn the material. Just do the assignment and turn it in before it's due. We're now told to stay inside. Don't get too close to people, and make sure you're constantly checking your email. It's overwhelming and so stressful. We're told to balance our time. It's not that hard. Work, school, social life, sleep, it's not that hard. As a kid, we were told not to be on our screens. Now, screens are shoved in our face. We carry extremely powerful devices around in our pockets, or more so our hands. We've become addicted, attached, and anxious without them. Attention spans are dying. Trends come and go so fast that it's hard to keep up, and 60-second videos are becoming too much. We've scrolled miles with our thumbs, oblivious to what's happening around us. We're so addicted. We take these devices everywhere with us. It's so hard to look away. These devices are such a huge part of our daily routine, and it's quite sad looking at it from an outside perspective. Technology is powerful and helpful, especially with how advanced it's become, but it's not always a blessing. We've become a society that judges too much, whether it be judging others or ourselves. We compare ourselves to every popular influencer that we see. Why don't I look like that? Wow, I wish I was that skinny. I wish I was that strong. They have such a perfect smile. I'm so jealous. Humans were never meant to be staring at screens for hours a day. Now, it's a requirement. We need a break to reconnect with ourselves for a while. We need to go outside and get away from the screens. We need to unplug.